Hey Jenny, I've got the next bit for the van.
What is it? It's heavy. So tonight we're going to put sound deadening in the van. We've got an incredibly heavy sound deadening stuff. I'm sure Ian has a technical term for it. Knives, cutters, rollers. Important bit, we've got the baby monitor so we can hear the minions if they wake up. It's date night.
Jenny, what are you doing up there?
We could sleep up here. We could put the scrubs up here.
I got up here. This is gonna be terrible.
Actually, this is a terrible idea. Why did I wear a skirt? I'm gonna fall. Spider monkey.
So tonight we're going to start installing the sound deadening. All that is about is trying to stop the panels ringing with vibration. So this is, they ring for a long time. The roof is particularly bad. These side panels do it a bit. Interestingly, these sides don't have any traditional sound deadening on them. They don't need it because Ford have used like a foam adhesive between these stiffening ribs and the sheet, so it's already pretty good. And most of these are going to come out for windows anyway, so we don't need to do them. Okay, so it's a pretty simple job, this one. Cut it out to a sensible size. You don't need to cover the whole panel, but you just want to cover any flat areas that like to reverberate. Take the backing off, chuck it in place, and then if you use like a rubber roller or something, it just helps it stick it down. And make sure it goes into all the crevices and stuff so it doesn't peel up.
Hole in the ice, shielding my eyes from the sun, suspended between heaven and hell, only thinking of what's to come. Slipping into...
You may have spotted on the time lapse that I had a sealant gun out. Couple of things that I've been doing. The Ford Transit comes with these roof plugs. So these plugs are fitted in the factory and then painted over, and that's what keeps them watertight. We had two leaking after I was doing some stuff up on the roof, and rather than take the risk of some of the others starting leaking once we got furniture in, I just thought I'd get the sealant out. It's sealant adhesive Sikaflex EBT Plus. So I've just gooped a load over, and next time up on the roof I'll goop some over them. The other thing that we found is that this panel had been disbonded from the inner skin just here. So the same sealant, I've just gone around and squibbed some adhesive behind all of them, and that should stick that back on just fine, which may have been causing a rattle. So okay, so that's the sound deadening pretty much done, wrapped up. We've tried to get it on the ceiling. There's a lot not on, I can't point. There's not a lot there. Oops, or behind me, because somewhere up there I'm going to put a roof light. So once I know which panel it's going to be, I'll put some more sound deadening up there. Similarly, there's one coming up here, so I've left that blank. None on these walls because they're all going to be windows. Haven't done the wheel arches yet. They want doing by all accounts. Wheel arches can be a big culprit of noise, but these wheel arches were quite badly damaged by the previous owners, so they've got a couple of bits that just need welding up, so should get that sorted next week, and then we'll save some sound deadening to put over them. Yeah, all in all, pretty good job, didn't take too long, and it should make a decent noticeable difference.